if our chemistry is off, it's not something that a person has to generate, but Odyssey generates an off heat and off analysis report. So it's a very clear indicator that something was off, so we can go address what happened and make sure it doesn't happen again.
The lot tracking is my number one. Besides, generally I have at least 4 screens up at all times. I always have the product up, the product history up, shop orders, and lot tracking. For us, lot tracking is our one main location that we have everything specific to that specific serial number. For instance, we use like our RT, UT, MT, VT, all of that gets recorded there, so we know in one location what has been completely done to the casting. So it's an easy way to have a quick glance to see how far along we are, because then from there you can see if it was scrapped, if it was shipped, if it was outside shipped, if it was actually shipped to the customer. So you just have that quick view of seeing where the casting is itself.